Alright, so let's talk about something I've been dying to share. The iPhone Flip. Yep, Apple's first ever foldable iPhone could be just over the horizon, and I've got the latest leaks and rumors that you definitely want to hear. Now, if you are like me, you've probably seen Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 7 and wondered, when is Apple going to join the party? Well, according to new leaks, 2026 might be the year. Picture it. A phone you can fold in half and slide into your pocket, but it's got that Apple flair we all love. Let me break down the top 3 reasons I'm genuinely excited for the iPhone Flip. First up, the hinge. Apple's reportedly working on a liquid metal hinge that could basically eliminate those annoying bumps and creases you get from opening and closing these things a zillion times. Imagine a smooth, almost seamless folding action. No weird ridges under your finger even after years of use. That's a total game changer. Second, the battery tech. Rumor has it, Apple's going to use a next-gen carbon-lithium battery, similar to what you'll find in the latest foldables from Oppo and Samsung. And what does that mean for you? Battery life that's just as good as a regular iPhone, even with all the extra screen tech packed inside. No more battery anxiety just because you want a foldable and third the size. Honestly, I miss the days of the iPhone mini, and if you do too, the Flip could be the perfect replacement. Closed, it's super compact, easy to slip into your pocket or bag. But when you need more screen, just flip it open for a massive 6.7-inch display. It's like having 2 phones in one, and I'm here for it. Now I know you're probably curious about the price and release date. Based on what we're seeing, the iPhone Flip could launch alongside the iPhone Fold in September 2026, right in the usual Apple event window. As for price, expect it to land around $1,000, similar to Samsung's Flip series. Not cheap, but hey, you're getting something totally new in the Apple lineup. So, would you go for the iPhone Flip, or are you sticking with the classic Pro Max? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell for more Apple leaks and updates. Catch you in the next one.